There's a storm rolling in tonight. Whew. All right, well, it looks like we could be up for anything tonight. It's starting to rain. I should get inside. My camera is gonna get messed up if I stay out here. I wanted to get shot to the lightning though. I don't think I've ever filmed lightning before, and maybe tonight is my night. If you're new here, I'm Alicia. I live in my truck camper full time. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator when I'm not YouTubing. Subscribe to my channel, please. Good morning. I didn't really see any lightning last night, and today we've got some sunshine, which means that my batteries are happy. All that is smoke. You caught me. I'm eating Greek yogurt and I just got my bathing suit off. I've been surfing for the last couple hours, having a blast. You can see that my foot's a little, I don't know if you can see that, but my foot's a little swollen. I swear, sometimes that river just bangs you up, and it pulled me under, and it was so sketch tonight. It pulled me under I went on like the side of the rapid and it pulled me under, and I just didn't think I was ever gonna resurface. And thankfully I didn't swallow a bunch of water coming up, but it was so sketch. I don't know if you can see that smoke, but it's rolling in. I probably need to put my e-bike on my truck because I'm not gonna be biking into town tomorrow, which I've been doing a lot of. I'm gonna be driving into town. I've got a mattress topper coming in. So when I was in Alabama, I have finally had to admit that my mattress was not that great, because my mattress in my mom's house was so comfortable that I was like, okay, I need a mattress topper. Even though it'll give me less headroom, I don't care. I want a more comfy bed, so I'm excited for that. I have been in the library working away on my computer. I'm taking a break right now and doing some dishes. I got my mattress topper in the mail, and I'll show that to you in a bit. Check it out. Hopefully this makes my bed way more comfy. It's got to, right?
When I heard music echo through the night, the same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. When I got close, my heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street, the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. That I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing.
That's my work for today. I'm just kidding. I worked my butt off today working on videos. I've got my headphone in just a sec, but I got my sheet back on and it took ages. Naturally, we all hate putting fitted sheets on. I think it's time to go surf. I think my brain's melting in here because it's so hot. Okay, I'll see you later. I was watching the Patagonia YouTube channel. They put up a year ago a video about Jerry Lopez. He river surfs at this wave here in Bend, Oregon. And yeah, watching his surf video, I don't know that I watched the whole thing through. I think I kind of skimmed it, but it was super inspiring. Makes me want to get out there. I gotta get out there. All right. Bye. Okay, we've got a wetsuit, a helmet, my dry bag, which I probably need to put some sunscreen in there. And my water shoes. I'm gonna go grab this surfboard from the back of my truck. Oh yeah, and water. Okay, bye for now. I just finished surfing and I'm gonna go to Munchin Music and check out the concert tonight. I'm talking with my mouth full. It's a concert in the park for free in Bend. It's awesome. I headed to a music festival for the weekend thanks to Phil, one of the viewers of this channel, for giving me his unused ticket. And I met a gal from the South who was also at the festival alone on Sunday night. It was so much fun. Leanna Rhymes did a beautiful show. The Revivalist did a great job. I had an absolute blast. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I know this one was kind of all over the place from the week, but you get the gist. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.